Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go over what is section 8 in real estate investing. First thing guys, you want to pay very close attention. We have the best summary and the most up-to-date information from Bart AI over here. So section 8 in real estate investing usually involves renting a properties to tenants who receive a rental assistance from the government through the Housing Choice Voucher program. The quick breakdown will simply provide you with the pros and cons if you want to go after this route and you want to put your property for rent of the people who benefit from these vouchers. So the pros of this particular program, essentially the rent is guaranteed, right? The government pays a portion of the rent directly to you, offering more stable income. So most likely this part of the rent will not ever default, most likely, because the government is the one covering for it. The second benefit is that you will have a reduced vacancy rates because the government will most likely sign a long-term either lease, right? That will help you have a very predictable revenue stream, and you will not have any issues of missed payments or anything of sort. Also, you have a pre-screened tenants, right? The government can only give these vouchers to people who qualify. So the tenants will be pre-screened and they are credit worthless simply because they're backed by the government. What are the disadvantages of having a tenant from this particular voucher program? Well, there are a lot of regulations. Section 8, you must comply with the program rules and you will have a lot of inspections, right? If something is bad, they can report to the government and the government can send you, authorities to check on the property. Also, you're going to be collecting lower rent usually, simply because limited rent increases are priced in to this deal, because the government will not pay you premium for your property. That's for sure. They know the market values and they know how to actually lowball you. Also, another disadvantage is the potential tenant issues, right? The government assistance doesn't guarantee problem-free tenants. They might think about people who gather the voucher are people with a low income. So some of these people might not, be willing to maintain the property, be a good tenant. They might be, who knows, criminals or whatever. So be very mindful of this. You have no power over the selection. The government selects them, the government gives them the money, and the government puts them into your property. So you want to make sure that you're aware of this. They might put illegal migrants through some of the programs as well. Section 8 offers stable income. Overall, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get lower vacancy rates, right? You're gonna get pre-screening of the tenants, but you're going to collect less rent. You're going to have to report and comply with the rules of the program, and you might have to report to the government more often than the usual renting business. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.